Hi everybody. I have a really quick video to share with you. This is not a craft fair video, but I wanted to come on and show you this before I set it up. I'm getting ready to set up my fall traveler's notebook, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I was thinking about not doing it because I'm in the middle of my craft fair series, but I decided to go ahead and share with you how I'm going to be setting it up. Before I share that, I'd like to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. You've heard me talk about Skillshare before and how much I love this website. Skillshare is an online learning community, and it's for creators, and it's got more than 25,000 classes and workshops that range from anything from design to business and so much more. So I looked to Skillshare because I'm going to be setting up, like I said, a traveler's notebook for the fall. And I want to use this traveler's notebook for jotting down ideas, kind of memory keeping, things like that. So if you get the premium membership on Skillshare, it gives you unlimited access. You can join the classes and communities that are right there at your fingertips, and it's so user-friendly and easy. And it also is up to date and trendy, and it's got the newest ideas and methods, and it's just incredible for that. If you'd like to join more than 7 million creators learning with Skillshare, the first 500 people that are subscribed to my channel watching this video that click that link below, you will receive 2 free months of Skillshare Premium. So go ahead and find that link below and click to get your 2 free months. And if you do decide to join, or if you want to join right away, it is so affordable. It ends up being just under $10 a month for the premium membership. I have this new traveler's notebook, and I got it from Webster's Pages. I love their traveler's notebooks. I've actually had this for quite a few months, and I just haven't used it yet. So it's brand new, and it's the mustard yellow suede traveler's notebook. And I love this thing so much. Isn't it so beautiful? And it's like the perfect color for fall. So I just absolutely love this. And it comes with a little leather charm. So this actually comes with a blank notebook inside. It's embossed. And it has some just plain white sheets. So I think I'll keep that in there, but I might decorate it a little bit. And then it has these pockets where you can put like your ID or any stickers or anything in there. But I'm absolutely in love with the mustard yellow color. So let me show you how I'm going to be setting this up. Okay, so this is approximately 5 by 8.5. And you can fit all kinds of stuff in here. It gives you the option of 4 different bands in here. So, as most of you know, I'm a huge fan of Rebecca Hoot. And she is here on YouTube and on Instagram. I'll link her information below. But I order from her all the time. This is a great opportunity to use the World of October's kit that I ordered from her last year. And so this is the little notebook that she sent, the journal with the kit. And so I definitely, even though this isn't exactly the correct size to put in this, I'm still going to use it anyways. So I'm going to take this journal and put it in here in the elastic. I think that looks so cute. And I like that I have different sizes in here. Let me just kind of show you what came in that kit. So you get die cuts. These are like the calendar stickers. A whole entire pack of ephemera. Some cute fall washi tape. Oh, and you even get journaling cards. That's going to look so cute in that little pocket. My favorite pen of all time, which is a Le Pen. And, oh my gosh, I forgot about this. You get this cute little postcard, and that is her original artwork. One of my favorite parts of the kit is this cute little clip. And she even includes a charm. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this because I can use all this stuff throughout this. I want to fill this up so it gets really chunky. And I had ordered these from Rebecca as well. These are some of her junk journals. And I think that these would work perfectly for fall. This was with her coffee series. She had like a coffee series junk journals. And so what makes me so excited is each of these also comes with another Le pen, which is my favorite pen to do planning and journaling with. So let's open these up really fast. So first of all, she puts this really, really pretty yarn around it, and I love that, and I'll definitely be saving this. And let's see, more sequins. And then, oh my gosh, she just goes to town with lots and lots of fun ephemera clipped in there. This is actually where I got my inspiration to make my junk journals. This is one of the people that has inspired me. And she just puts like die cuts and stickers all throughout. Look at these little cute clip-ins. So many little ephemera pieces. And then lots of white paper to journal on and art journal. More little tuck-ins, and look how cute. The best time to drink coffee is now. I agree. I absolutely love this. This is so me. This is totally up my alley. I love coffee themed things. May your coffee be strong and your Monday be short. Oh my gosh, thank you. I love that. Look at how cute all of this is. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. So I totally love this. So let's see. Maybe I'll put this one in after that fall one. Let's see. I really hope this fits. Let's see. Yes, it does. So this is going to be the cutest, chunkiest traveler's notebook setup ever. And I'm really excited about it because I plan on doing so much journaling and jotting down of ideas throughout the fall. Okay, so now I've got the one that came with it, and maybe I'll decorate this with some of the stickers that came in the kit. And then let me take this one out and we'll stick this one in there. Okay, so I got all those notebooks in here, those junk journals, and I am so excited. Look how chunky this has gotten. So here it is closed. Here's like a top view and a side view. So here is what I have so far. I love how chunky this is. So this is gonna be, like I said, my fall setup. So I've got this notebook in here. And then I've got the coffee one with all the cute die cuts and decorations. And then I have the one that came with the notebook. And then here's the second coffee one, but I love it because it has different, she put different stuff, like look, it says coffee right here, and I love it. So there's my setup for my notebooks. And then I think to make this look a little more fall on the inside, I'm going to use some of these decorations that she sent in the kit. Let me see what the journaling cards. And I want this to be so fall looking. I just absolutely love fall so much. So I really, really want this to look super duper fall. So stick those in there. And I have all my cute flair over here. And last but not least, I think I want to try and incorporate this cute charm. So this charm, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little journal with like the old vintage ink. That is, okay, so I attached the charm there. Oh my gosh, that's the cutest thing ever. Look at how cute this looks. I absolutely love it. I'm ready for fall now. I just feel like sticking this right here when it becomes October because that will be so cute. It's not October yet, obviously, so maybe this would be adorable. So that's my new mustard suede traveler's notebook by Webster's Pages, along with all the Rebecca Hoot stuff that I filled it with. I just absolutely love it. I'm going to link Rebecca's YouTube, Instagram, and her shop below. I'll definitely link this traveler's notebook below where I got it on Webster's Pages. And thank you to Skillshare again for sponsoring the video. And I hope you guys have a great week. So I'll be back with another video continuing on with my craft fair series. Thanks again. Bye.